Beenie Man dissed Vybz Kartel in his new song referring to Kartel as Humpty Dumpty. That's a direct and blatant diss. The song itself sounds great. I won't take anything away from Beenie Man.
Pussy. Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Fly past them Porsche, me Maserati. Exercise me gun figure, keep me trigger healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty.
Credit where credit is due. However, it's clear that Beenie Man knows Kartel won't respond, which is likely why Beenie Man is acting so boldly. Do you think Kartel should respond to Beenie Man? Let me know in the comment section. But I personally think Vybz Kartel should respond to Beenie Man and show Beenie Man that they're not operating on the same level. Kartel should entertain another lyrical war other than Mavado. Let me know what you think. Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Prince Swanny survives a near fatal shooting and Spice isn't holding back whatsoever, because she called out Shenseea in her latest song titled Hell No. Buju Banton predicted Vybz Kartel would be the man he is today. Alright, so yesterday I shared a report that Prince Swanny was attacked by gunmen and narrowly escaped with his life, right? A lot of people in the comments call it fake news and a bunch of other things, but let me clarify what really happened. Prince Swanny himself responded to a popular Trinidadian page commenting true with a question mark, which add fuel to the fire even more. Surprisingly, the page eventually deleted the post after backlash it received by people calling it fake and misinformation and all these other things. Now, here's what I know for a fact. Someone close to Prince Swanny reached out to me personally on Instagram and confirmed that the incident did in fact happen. Prince Swanny might be trying to, act like it never happened because thankfully the artist escaped with his life and he wasn't, badly hurt or anything like that. He was grazed. My initial report said shot, but honestly, graze or shot, it's the same difference. An attack on the artist's life is an attack. Later that same evening, Prince Swanny went live on Instagram previewing a new song. Repeatedly shouting, true, true, true. True. Fans on the live kept asking if the art, if it was true or not, right? With some insisting that it is just fake news and some fans showing concern. Regardless, what people think, one thing is clear, Prince Swanny isn't letting this situation or his ops break his spirit. Instead, he's outside living his best life in his Tesla, focusing on music and gearing up to drop this new hit. More life and strength to Prince Swanny. And I mean, on this platform, I will never come and condone or glorify violence or anything like that. We are here to report what happened and that's what we did. But also, we also have a duty to encourage the youths to do better, and we must uplift one another and choose to do, let them know they can choose a better path, right? The street don't love you, bro, and we as a community can, right? That is it. Buju Banton once predicted that if Vybz Kartel turned away from his misleading ways, he would become successful and achieve even greater things. This was said before Kartel went to prison. Fast forward to now, Kartel is the man right now, because before, Kartel was one of the most hated artists in dancehall. Now Kartel, released from prison, is now one of the most respected artists. Kartel transformation seemed to align with Buju prediction. Makes me wonder and think if Kartel actually saw that interview and listened to his former musical inspiration. Alright, so check out the video right now.
Vybz Kartel is a man. Him stimulate me events with the music. If only him could have realized where him have.
Yes.
And turn the spanner anti-clockwise and then turn it in the right direction.
So he's misdirected, you're saying, at this time?
I wouldn't say misdirected, I would have said no see it yet. I say no see it though, because I will take a time, let me tell you. Him can still get some smooth down to get the thing on a level where him can. Because if the music can't be on the radio, you're missing your whole pension scheme,
Yeah.
And you're missing your initial revenue base,
So that talent, that brain needs to be helping to uplift.
Yeah. And
to empower.
Of course, because I'm seeing as one of the baddest young man out there right now.
In one of Buju Banton's past interview with Mr. Williams on Onstage, Buju Banton shared his thoughts on King of Dancehall title. Buju Banton made it clear that he doesn't see himself as a king. Buju is grateful for life and the opportunity to create music, but he stated that he doesn't put himself on a pedestal or anything like that. Answer me this. Given Buju immense contribution that we know that how he contribute to dancehall, do you think Buju Banton has a legitimate claim to the title of King of Dancehall? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is what Buju Banton said.
Is dancehall an important title for you, King of Dancehall, or are you broader, bigger than that? Because what's important to you in terms of classification?
I'm not broader and I'm not bigger. No, man. I do not see myself as a king. I more see myself as a son, as a peasant, as I rightfully am. I'm the son of a black man. And I interact with people of my nature and my culture and great other cultures and great other ethnicity all across the globe. I do not put myself on a pedestal because I'm a man who is prone to make mistakes just like any other man. You understand? But the greatest thing I have in my corner is the love I have for my God. And the greatest thing I think I have in my corner is the love where my for I. So therefore, upon such a love, him put great songs upon our heart and place upon our lip and give her the strength to sing them and the courage to deliver them, you know. If this is what set I apart from my counterparts, then a man, if you gonna know God.
Yes.
But me not see myself as no king. I mean not see myself as no man, a big and broad and no man. No man, I depend on that no guy.
So alright, so Queen of Dancehall Spice has officially dropped her first song of the year, and she's setting the tone with her bold stance on self-respect. In the song, Spice makes it clear that no man can cross certain boundaries with her because she holds herself to a high standard. Meanwhile, Shenseea, my favorite artist, female dancehall artist, I should say, unapologetically sing about embracing the very thing Spice is saying a hard hell no to. For example, Shenseea once boldly sang "Spit in My Mouth," while Spice is standing firm and saying no man can do that to her, right? It's a sharp contrast, you know, in perspective, you can say. Spice timing couldn't have been even better. This, you know, our release come right after Shenseea involving in recent... Shenseea posted a tweet and said that she never had a certain phase. You know, we know what type of phase, right? She got backlash right there and then, and, you know, people pointing out her music and say she encouraged women to embrace these kind of things while she herself being cute and whatever, and while everybody else take two-man sheen and actually do it in real life. And she sing about these things in her song Dating Season, right? Shenseea eventually deleted that tweet, and then she explained the reason for deleting the tweet, saying, I deleted that tweet because I love and support all women, and I don't want y'all think I'm discriminated against us. That's really funny to me, right? So Shenseea fans are saying that Shensea's songs contradict her statement. Still, let's be real. Big up Shenseea, my favorite female dancehall artist, as I said, and big up Spice, the undisputed queen of dancehall. Fans need to understand something, which is very important. Not everything an artist sing about reflects their personal life. Most artists tell stories or create narratives that connect with their audience, right? So if that doesn't really mean say that same thing align with their reality, right? Music is music, and sometimes it's the same way how Vybz Kartel would sing about poverty and ghetto youth, and Vybz Kartel is rich, right? That is just entertainment. It is there to spark emotion and create conversation and make you feel whatever you feel, right? So if you are Team Spice or Team Shenseea, just know, say, you know, we're just here to enjoy the music and just keep it going, right? So big up Vybz Kartel, big up Spice, big up Shenseea, and big up Prince Swanny also.